Simple enough for spur-of-the-moment installations and long-term commercial use, the Presto Canopy is a great investment as an entry-level shelter. It's loved for its fast installation, reduced hardware weight, and the versatility that makes it great for use professionally or at home. 20-foot wide and 20, 30, or 40-foot long, Prestos are crafted from lightweight vinyl fabric which repels water and provides a barrier that blocks sunlight to provide you with a pleasantly shaded area. The canopy top is a single piece of assembled fabric so that you'll never have to worry about misplacing or organizing panels during installation. The guy lines, which connect the canopy to the anchors and keep the top lofted, are connected to the fabric to keep from losing any during travel. These are tightened by snugging the lines while the poles are leaning, then pushing the poles into place and making sure the lines are tight. Pulling on the rope lock places more tension onto the lines and strengthens the canopy's anchoring. With so many positive features, it's easy to see why the Presto is such a popular canopy.